Welcome to our tutorial on creating an e-commerce website using WordPress. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up your online store. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with WordPress, this tutorial is for you. Step 1. Choose a domain and hosting. First, you need a domain name and web hosting. Your domain is your website's address on the internet, and hosting is where your website's files are stored. We recommend using a reliable hosting provider that offers WordPress-specific plans. Step 2. Install WordPress. Once you have your domain and hosting, it's time to install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer a one-click WordPress installation. Simply log in to your hosting account, find the WordPress installation option, and follow the instructions. Step 3. Select an e-commerce theme. After installing WordPress, you'll need to choose a theme. A theme determines the design and layout of your website. There are many e-commerce themes available, both free and premium. Navigate to the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, Themes, and search for an e-commerce theme that suits your needs. Step 4. Install and activate WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a powerful e-commerce plugin for WordPress. To install WooCommerce, go to the WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add New. Search for WooCommerce, install, and activate it. Follow the setup wizard to configure your store's basic settings, such as currency, payment methods, and shipping options. Step 5. Add products. Now it's time to add your products. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Products, Add New. Enter your product details, including title, description, price, and images. You can also set product categories and tags to organize your inventory. Step 6. Customize your store. Customize your store to match your brand. Go to Appearance, Customize to access the WordPress customizer. Here, you can change your site's colors, fonts, and layout. You can also add custom widgets and menus to enhance your store's functionality. Step 7. Configure payment and shipping options. Set up your payment gateways and shipping methods. In the WooCommerce settings, you can choose from various payment options, such as PayPal, Stripe, and credit card payments. For shipping, you can define shipping zones, methods, and rates based on your needs. Step 8. Test your store. Before launching your store, thoroughly test it. Make sure all links, buttons, and forms work correctly. Test the checkout process by placing a test order. Ensure that your website is responsive and looks good on different devices. Step 9. Launch your store. Once everything is set up and tested, it's time to launch your store. Promote your website through social media, email marketing, and other channels to attract customers. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully created an e-commerce website using WordPress and WooCommerce. Keep your site updated, add new products regularly, and provide excellent customer service to grow your online business. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.